Hello everybody and welcome to this video, two different ways how to build a ramp, this time without using the TinyCAD add-on. This video is, well, for everybody who would like to know two different ways, but also for those who maybe have an issue with modeling this ramp in the other video, and then this can be used as a supplement. Very often I find when we mess up geometry, sometimes we can repair it, but most times restarting is actually time-wise faster. With the added benefit, more practice. So we go to a top view, Z and wireframe K. Look at the bottom. Cut through, and then we have an axis. So I click. This is the x-axis, and I would like to cut through. So I press C and enter. Whoops, I meant K for knife, click, C for cut through, X for the axis, mouse click, and then enter. There we are. Goodie. AA, select everything with B, X, and delete. We can select all these points, go to a top view, bring this one down, there, E and Y, E and Y. Okay. Z and solid. So here we are. So let's do a quick check. How does everything look? Oh, this does not look good. So I select these faces and then, or I select A, everything, and then mesh normal and calculate outside. Very good. So now I would like to have here a cut line. And the easiest way is Control R on this edge, click, escape. There it is. If you do not want these lines to go through everywhere, an alternative would be, I undo, I select these 2 points, right click, subdivide, UU, right click on the mouse, subdivide. And then these midpoints I can select, and via J, I join, make a line. Cool. So, because now what I can do is I can select this face, go to this extrude, holding click till you see extrude manifold. And then I know this goes in 3.3 meters. So minus here, minus 3.3. And then this one, 3.3. Beautiful. And look at that. Now we have actually, oh, we have cool steps, but we want this to turn into a ramp. So how do we do this? Essentially, this has to go down to there. This has to go up. 2 ways with this line selected. GG. This is for slide. Okay, you see I can slide this direction or slide it down. Works. And here, GG, move this one up. Very good. Now, be careful. The edges are still there. So we need to select everything with A and then mesh, clean up, merge by distance. And now this is just one edge. Okay. The other way, I simply delete these 2 edges, delete also all these edges. Nope, not this one, this one. And then look at this. There are all the points left. Suck. Suck. I select the correct set of points and fill this in with F. Okay, very nice. Quick check for the orientation, all good. Yeah, so this was actually one way how to do this via the manifold. And we slice this vertical step one time first, because in this way we have, well, the 50% subdivision. Now, if we would like to bring this over to the other side, so Alt click, Shift, move all this over. Now you see now, okay, we need here to have this one point to connect it to. Okay, so I select this edge X and, no, not X, right click and subdivide. Then I can go into top view, Z wireframe AA, select with B all this, Shift D, make a copy, point snap G snap, okay. Here we might run into a little issue right there. So we might need to have one extra point there. So I'm doing this right now. Right click, subdivide, and then this point, I move down, hold control, they're connected. Or not connected, snap it. And then AAL. Now I can G, hold control, snap A, and clean up. G and face orientation, Z and solid, all good. Well, this one here goes away. Okay, very good. Now and then Z wireframe, we can check is everything fine. This one, yep, looks all good. And where are my walls? Alt H, or I mean edit mode, so object mode, Alt H. Then I can see everything again. So then U plus this wall, Shift H, hide everything else, and then in edit mode, I move and snap it to the inside wall. The second way how to do this, it's very similar. We select these 2 points again and then subdivide, select these two and J, join them. And now I will select U and U, subdivide. Oh, look at that. U and U, I mean an edge select, subdivide. It creates an actually this edge. Now, GG, bring this over. GX, what this is minus, so minus 3.3. Here, GG, bring this to the center, GX 3.3. Okay, and then suck, and delete the edges, U and U, F, U and U, F. And then I simply fill everything in there. Well, I was pretty fast. What happened even faster? Okay, yeah. No, and then the only thing again, we have to do exactly the same. Let me show this one more time. So I bring this over. I have 1 point here, so this needs to be connected. Same there. So zack, and subdivide here, and subdivide. I bring this over, connect, bring this over, connect there, and then I can go to this view, Z and wireframe, select all this, Shift D, G, hold snap, X, delete this one, A, and mesh clean up. There, merge by distance. I skipped actually this step here. So, because to show you, we can also do things in tandem. So I will go edge select, U, subdivide, U, subdivide, U, subdivide, U, subdivide. Yep. U, whoop, careful, U, GG. And I go both directions, GX minus 3.3. Zack, careful. Oh, this maybe, I clicked too fast and I click and drag on the circle. I think that is why my geometry was a little bit messy previously. Zup, X and delete edges. Here all this goes, and then it is mass production time. You see, this is actually really child's play. Color by numbers. Okay, beautiful. Last check. Face orientation, all good. Beautiful. That's it.